Managing workers' comp cases can get messy fast. Deadlines, documents, medical records, and client updates all peeling up at once. So the real question is, can a tool like Smokeball actually make it easier, or is it just another legal software platform with big promises? Let's break down Smokeball. It's a legal practice management software designed for small to mid-sized law firms. It focuses heavily on automation, document creation, case tracking, billing, and workflow management, especially for practice areas like personal injury and workers' compensation. One of the biggest strengths of Smokeball is automatic activity tracking. The software records time spent on emails, documents, and tasks in the background, which helps law firms bill more accurately without manual time entry. For workers' comp cases, this matters a lot. You're constantly handling medical records, insurance communication, fillings, and client updates. Smokeball helps organize all of that into a structured case file so nothing gets lost. Another key feature is document automation. You can generate legal forms, letters, and templates quickly using stored case data. That reduces repetitive work and helps firms move faster on case preparation. It also includes task management and deadlines, which is critical in workers' compensation cases where missing a filing date can seriously impact a claim. Now, here's the downside. Smokeball is powerful, but it's not cheap, and it can feel overwhelming for solo practitioners or very small firms at first. It works best when your team actually commits to using it consistently. So is it worth it? If you're handling multiple workers' comp cases and want better organization, billing accuracy, and automation, Smokeball can significantly improve efficiency. But if you're only handling a few cases or prefer a simpler setup, it might be more than you need. That's my Smokeball review and tutorial for managing workers' comp cases efficiently. If this helped you decide, don't forget to like and subscribe for more legal tech reviews and productivity tools just like this.